बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू गोहर पब्लिशर्स।
डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज के इस वीडियो लेसन में हम गोहर पब्लिशर्स की कैनमेरी सीरीज में अब हम देखेंगे मैथ प्रेप में सबसे पहले देखेंगे एन एक्टिविटी। से द नंबर वर्ड्स, सर्कल द करेक्ट नंबर फॉर ईच वर्ड। इट्स 5, five, and circle the correct 5. This one. 8, 8, 8. It's number 8. 10, 10. This is 10. 3, E. Now this is 3. Count and match. Now look at the picture and count it and then match it with the correct number words. Now सबसे पहले butterflies. Let's count the butterfly. It's 1 and 2. 2 butterflies. Let's match it. Then flower. 1 flower. Next is pear. Count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pear. Yes. Next is ladybirds. So let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Next are stars. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many stars are there? 8. Let's match. Now count the tomatoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now count the apples. 1, 2, 3. It's 3. Match it with the new number word 3. Now count the hats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So match it with the 6. Now we will have another activity on page number 26. Another activity on page number 26. Now count and color the magic number. Let's count the caps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we will color the number 6. Let's color. Now next picture. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fish. So let's color the number 4 in the middle. Now the next picture, the 2 butterflies. 1, 2. Color it. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5 apples. Now color the apples. The next picture, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The 9 balloons, color it. Next is apples. Count the apples. 1, 2, 3. Color the 3 apples. Now next activity on page number 27. Match the number to the picture and then to the number 1. Now अब हम डाइस देखेंगे. इस डाइस के फेस पे सबसे पहले हम नंबर देखेंगे. The first one is 1. Now match it with the number and the number word 1. Now next is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So match it with the number 4 and the word 4. Next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So match it with the 6 and there is 6. Next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 5. 2. 1, 2, 2. And next is 1, 2, 3. तो इसको 3 से मैच किया here and 3 से मैच किया इधर. Now we will do another activity on the page number 28. Match. Now look at the pictures and count the objects in each picture. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Next one is balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Next one are cats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 cats. Next is shoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 shoes. The next ones are balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
आई होप आपको वीडियो लेसन पसंद आया होगा. एक नए वीडियो लेसन के साथ हम फिर मिलेंगे. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज.